Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ayman El Attar. I'm the current president of the American Aesthetic Association. As well, I'm honored to be the current president of the International Cosmetic Gynecology Conference in Dubai. I would like to invite each one of you to attend our second conference held here in Dubai in 2019. It's going to be running between 7 and 9 of November 2019, where we have more than 50 of the most internationally renowned famous gynecologists and cosmetic gynecologists from all over the world sharing their experiences with each other. We're going to be having fun in this beautiful city, which was visited last year by 15 million people. All enjoyed the cutting edge technologies, the skyscraper view, the beautiful gardens, the beautiful resorts, and all of you will have a lot of fun and a lot of learning. Looking forward to see each one of you here in Dubai, November 7 to 9, 2019.